Now we discuss about the effects of the war. As a result of every war, it makes main insecurity in the country, especially the economic insecurity. So the Europe changed its position or its dignity as a creditor to turned into a debtor. And Weimar Republic carried the burden of war guilt and the national humiliation. So it was also the cause of the people not to respect this particular republic and their changes, especially the democratic developments. The Weimar Republic was supported by the socialist, Catholics, and the Democrats, but it was attacked by the conservative nationalist circle, and it is also defamed by the calling its November criminals. Discuss about the social status and the social change. The soldiers came to be placed above the civilians. So, as a result of the World War, the status of the soldiers came to be up than the civilians. Aggressive war propaganda and the national honor become important. The fragile democracy could not survive and due to instability in Europe. So this was the change that happened after this World War. Radicalism and economic crisis. The birth of the Weimar Republic was in parallel with the revolutionary uprisings in Germany by the Spartist League, which is in the pattern of Bolsheviks in Russia. So this particular uprising in society was crushed by this Weimar Republic with the help of the corps. See, we see this particular ambitious Spartists, they could not seize the power or authority, but they founded the Communist Party of Germany. But it is believed that the political instability in Germany paved the way for Hitler. The political radicalization was heightened by the economic crisis of 1923. We have already discussed about the peace treaty and the result of the World War, which made a stroke above the Germany was very forceful. Now we see the reparations, especially Germany had to pay the war reparations in gold, which led to depletion of gold reserve. So every economic stability is based on the reserves, and the depletion of this particular reserves also makes insecurity in economic system in every country. And so Germany refused to pay the war reparations, but France occupied its leading industrial areas. Germany retaliated with the printing currency recklessly. So that also made a different economic system in Germany. The value of German currency mark also decreased, and its value also decreased, and it led into the hyperinflation in the society in country, and this also made economic crisis in society very crucial.